Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by proving you belong to the address you send from. Add SBF, DKIM, and a DMARC record so mail claims are verifiable. This reduces spoof flags. Next, warm up your IP and domain. Send small batches, then increase volume steadily because sudden surges trigger spam heuristics. Meanwhile, clean your list. Remove hard bounces and long inactive addresses, since low engagement and bounces push you toward the spam folder. Once done, confirm DNS propagation and continue to the content and sending practices. You now control what goes inside the message. Write honest subject lines and avoid promotional trigger words. A single, relevant link beats many tracked URLs. Include a plain text version and a clear unsubscribe. Gmail rewards transparent practices. Pace sends with segmentation. Target engaged users first, then expand. This preserves open rates. Use consistent from addresses and personalization tokens to boost relevance because Gmail measures recipient interaction. Once engagement looks healthy, scale slowly, and monitor delivery to catch issues early. You finish by watching metrics and reacting quickly. Set up Gmail Postmaster tools and your own tracking to monitor spam rate, reputation, and authentication results because trends reveal root causes. Inspect full message headers to verify SBF/DKIM passed and to see Gmail signals. If Gmail still flags your mail, pause sending, remediate list hygiene or switch off problematic IPs, and run small A/B tests. One key troubleshooting tip: recreate a problematic send to a controlled.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.